Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. In this video, it's going to be very necessary because I found out why it was leaking. It's not connected up top, so we're going to take the Smart Fill tool and fill this in, and you see it's not connected because it flows out of this path, and there's nothing to stop it from going up and out of the drawing. Now, I put the rectangle there to stop it from going out. I don't know, because if you smart fill this ring, that ring is going to match that ring. So I don't know if they're engraving this or not. One thing you could do is smart fill the other parts. And I don't know if she's engraving this or cutting it. But that's pretty cool. Pretty cool design. Let's zoom in here. So I don't know what her plans are. It would be neat to have this engraved, but that, like I said, it doesn't work. And anyway, I was going to show them how to fix a leak. That's why I made the video, but the leak's right here. If you can just see it, it just goes up and out. Now you could possibly close this up or close this up. But this inner circle, if you filled it, it's going to fill up this circle between these two. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.